colorful paper airplanes. So I think I'm gonna go for plain white. Okay, so we're gonna put all these stuff here. So we're gonna make it short. So we're gonna fold it. Hi guys, today we're gonna make paper airplanes. Hi guys, today we're gonna make paper airplanes. So the materials I have is color sheets of paper, and some stickers to add on so it can look cool. So first we're gonna make it short ways. So we're gonna put it like this. Now we're going to fold it. Like this. Hi guys, today we're gonna make paper airplanes. So we're going to need colorful papers, or you can plain white paper. And we're gonna need some stickers. If you want, you don't need stickers, but I'm gonna need stickers. So I'm gonna go for this color, yellow. So we're gonna make it long ways. Then fold it like this. And then do this. Then we have to fold it like this. And do the same thing on the other side. It should look like a house, like this. Then you're gonna fold it again, but different. It's gonna be kind of like this. Gonna fold it like this, and do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Now we're gonna fold it like this side. Then we're gonna fold it back. That. Then we're gonna go back and do the same thing.